Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Venmo without a bank account. The question first is, can you use the Venmo without a bank account? The answer is yes. You can still use the Venmo account to send, receive, and spend money, even if you don't link your bank account. Now, let's go through the steps to use Venmo without one. First is to sign up for a Venmo account using your email or phone number, and then receive payments from friends or clients. Money will stay into your Venmo balance. Now, if you want to use your Venmo balance, you can just simply pay other Venmo users, buy online where Venmo is accepted, and use a Venmo debit card to shop in stores or withdraw from ATMs. You can also add a money without a bank. You can get paid by others into your Venmo balance and transfer from PayPal to Venmo, and both are in your name. And keep in mind, you can't cash out to cash without a linking bank or debit card. Instant transfer and adding funds manually required a link bank. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.